In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a posted invoice in Odoo. If you need to remove an invoice that has already been posted, Odoo does not usually let you delete it right away. That's because posted invoices are treated as confirmed accounting records. So before you can delete the invoice, you first need to move it back into draft status. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly what to do. Start by opening the Invoicing app in Odoo. Once you're there, go to the Customers menu and then select Invoices. This will bring up your invoice list where you can find the posted invoice you want to remove. Open that invoice so you can view its details. When the invoice is open, look for the Reset to Draft button. Click that to change the invoice from posted back to draft. This step is required because Odoo only allows draft invoices to be deleted. If the button is available, the process is straightforward and you can continue right away. If you do not see the Reset to Draft option, the most common reason is that your accounting settings or the journal configuration do not allow posted entries to be reset. In that case, you'll need to check whether the journal and accounting permissions support reversing a posted document back to draft before you can move forward. Once the invoice has successfully returned to draft status, look for the Actions menu or the gear icon, depending on your Odoo version and layout. Open that menu and select Delete. Odoo will usually ask you to confirm the action since deleting an invoice is permanent. Click Delete again to confirm. After confirmation, the invoice will be permanently removed from Odoo. There is one important thing to keep in mind. If a payment has already been registered on that invoice, Odoo may block you from resetting it to draft or deleting it. If that happens, you may need to remove the payment connection or unreconcile the payment first. Once the invoice is no longer tied to that payment, you should be able to reset it and continue with deletion. As a general tip, always double check that you are deleting the correct invoice before confirming. Since the record is permanently removed, it's a good idea to make sure you no longer need it for reporting or bookkeeping purposes. And that's how to delete a posted invoice in Odoo.